Hi, my name is Mia. I hope you are doing great. I'm a video journalist and right now, I'm preparing a documentary about ratios, rates, and percentages. So, I came to Cairo, Egypt to learn more about these concepts. For example, Egypt's female population represents 49.5% of the total population, or 49.5 over 100. As you can see, the same information can be represented as a percentage and as a ratio. Well, in mathematics, ratios and proportion are very important concepts. Ratios are the mathematical numbers used to compare two things, which are similar to each other in terms of units. For example, we can compare the length of a pencil to the length of a pen, likewise distance to a unit that denotes distance. We can't compare two things that are not similar to each other. Similarly, we can't compare the height of a person to the weight of another person. Let's analyze the following example. Suppose the weight of Carla is 50 kilograms, and the weight of Max is 100 kilograms. A ratio of Carla's weight to Max's weight can be found out by dividing Carla's weight to Max's weight and vice versa. The ratio between Carla's and Max's weight is 50 over 100. Or 1 to 2. Now, let's talk about rate and unit rate. A rate is a ratio that compares two quantities of different kinds of units. And, a unit rate has a denominator of 1 unit. When the rate is written as a fraction, to write a rate as a unit rate, just divide the numerator and the denominator of the rate by the denominator. Like, 68 miles per hour. For example, Paul ran a 5-kilometer race in 24 minutes. So, Paul's rate of running will be expressed as 5 kilometers over 24 minutes. Another example could be, Jessica earned $14 by babysitting for 4 hours. So, we can express this as a unit rate. Jessica's rate of pay will be $14 over 4 hours, and we can simplify this as $3.50 per hour. Remember, we just need to divide the numerator and denominator by the denominator 4. Well, we can represent these relationships in different ways. One way is with a table. Find the value of x in the following ratio table. As you can see, we have ratios of 1 to 7, 3 to 21, x to 56, and 9 to 63. So, what would be your answer? Well, the numbers on the left side to the numbers on the right side are in a ratio of 1 to 7. In other words, multiply the numbers on the left by 7 to get the numbers on the right. Using that ratio, we arrive at the following equation for x. 7x is equal to 56. Now, divide both sides by 7. So, x is equal to 8. Now, percent means per 100, 25% means 25 out of 100. 100% means everybody or everything, and 0% means nobody or nothing. For example, red is a very popular car color. A production company manufactures cars and parks them in a lot behind the plant. There are 100 cars in the parking lot, and 60% of them are red. How many red cars are in the parking lot? In the problem, we are told that 60% of the cars are red. In other words, for every 100 cars, 60 of them are red. We can write the following ratio: 60 to 100, or 60 over 100. If we simplify this fraction, we get 3/5. Now, we know that there are 100 cars in the parking lot. We can write the following ratio by substituting the variable red for the number of red cars. Red to 100, or red over 100. Then, we can create a proportion using our two ratios. 3/5 equal to red over 100. Cross-multiply and solve for red. Red is equal to 60, so there are 60 red cars in the parking lot. Interesting, right? So, what do you say? Can you continue recognizing ratios, rates, and percentages in real-world situations? Just remember that today you learned the concepts of ratios and proportions, the concepts of rates and unit rates, how to solve word problems that involve unit rates, and how to calculate percentages written as a rate of 100. Practice a lot, and you will see that you will be better at it. I have to go now. Bye. And see you next time.